Today is day 16, and it's going to be a short one because, do you remember, well, if you're a cross stitcher, you know this. Sometimes the pattern is given to us as a pattern, and there's not a picture. It's simply the pattern. And Caterpillar, oh my gosh, it's a great pattern. Of course, I can't show it to you because that would violate copyright. So, it is, let's see what the size is. On 14 count, it would be 5.1, 5.3 inches. 16 count, or 32. Linen, it would be 4.5 to 4.6. It is a globe, and in the globe is a polar bear, and it has some leaf motifs. It's called Polar Globe, and I'm sure the Caterpillar Cross Stitch Company will release that. I don't know how they do their Christmas box. I don't know how when they release things. It's got that Scandi feel, that Scandinavian feel that a lot of people are doing right now. So it looks like the polar bear is monochromatic and the motifs are color. So, but I can't show it to you. So, I'm so sorry. But you know how that goes. We, want to protect our designers. Now, I'm going to show you something interesting from Kitten Stitcher that I opened because the bag rustles a lot. I'm going to be honest, the pattern kind of scared me because it was unexpected. Now it's gorgeous. It's from Primitive Hair. Oh, look. I did my little short nails just for you. Actually, my nails are usually longer, but I didn't want to get tips. I just got gel polish. They're red and glittery. And unfortunately, the iPad is not nice to your hand. I don't know what that's about. So, the designer is from Italy, Primitive Hair, and she is known for her incredible fabrics and how she dyes. That's both. You hear him chirping? That's him. He had a rough day. He went to the bed. But anyway, I digress. Okay, I need you prepared because it's not a Christmas. Now, she's an incredible artist. Her patterns are very detailed, and you can go to her Etsy shop, Primitive Hair, H-A-R-E, and you can look at her fabrics. They're higher thread count, and then she has some great fabrics, like one, I want this one. It's Anne Boleyn, and it's as if there were letters in the background. So, day 16, Miss Flora Fanny Flax. Oh my gosh, I have been tongue-tied creating these little videos because there's a lot of alliteration. The Primitive Hair, Miss Flora Fanny Flax. And do you see how I might have been, oh my. Now, do you see the fabric? Do you see the background? That is her fabric. And remember, this is from the Most Wonderful Box by Kitten Stitcher. And there was a little cutout. And the cutout said, "Hello, dear friend, and Merry Christmas. This is a short note to let you know that you may order your kit. Send me a message. The kit includes fabric and Rusty Snowflake." Do you see the Rusty Snowflake that Miss Flora Fanny Flax is holding? Woo. And then it's US dollars, shipping costs included. It's not a bad price at all. I'm not going to say the price because you can look it up. Oh, I take it back because you can't buy it. Only I can buy it, or somebody who bought the box. So I believe these will be released in a year. But I'm going to have a contest, so you might be able to win this one. Now, then in the back, I can't show you the back because it looks like that this is how you outline the face. So the face is on the back, so I can't show you that. And then the pattern, this is a nice size, a really nice size pattern. It's done in pewter grays, beige grays, mocha, 30 count. Design size, it's in centimeters. So, the Primitive Hair, and you can go to the Etsy shop and check it out. Again, look at the fabrics. She has incredible fabrics. Miss Flora Fanny Flax. It threw me off though. It's not quite Christmassy. And then I already did Caterpillar. That was the one I was telling you about. So this is Stitchy. Stitchy box. This is the smaller Xmas box, okay? So their big box is called a bash box. And I believe their smaller is called a bash. But this was their Christmas countdown. Oh, I love these little things. That's a little peppermint one. This is pretty heavyweight. Oh, it's like another one's. Look at, oh, aren't you glad I did my nails? I'm sure you are. Look at that. You could put that on a Christmas piece. Do you know the Advent Christmas pieces where you're stitching like a day, or you're stitching like 12 days or something, 12 days of Christmas? You could add that. It's like the little twisty peppermints. That's really cool. Okay, and now, Black Needle Society, day 16. Here's the trick with these bags. You don't have to cut them or rip them. You can just do this. And then you can put the bag. I haven't seen this yet, so I'm excited because I haven't seen it, but it feels heavy. It feels really heavy. Oh, okay, I think it's 2 needle minders, but they're stuck together. Oh my gosh. Okay, that took a lot. That took a lot for me to unstick these. Is this puppies? Is this puppies? It looks like a little dog by the tree. There's some festivities. Oh, this is a great needle minder. Remember I told you every stitcher has something they collect? Fabric, floss. We're all collectors. But I'm super excited about needle minders. They're ice skating. This is a big one. Look at that. Look how heavy that is. That should hold everything. Your needles, your needle minder. Ow! Don't do that. Don't do this at home. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me just pull those apart again. Okay. We're gonna keep these. Oh my gosh. We're gonna put these back for safekeeping in day 16. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Caterpillar, Black Needle Society, most wonderful box, kitten stitcher, primitive hair. Bye. Ow, I think I'm wounded again. Good night.